Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to increase your Shopify conversion rate using practical strategies that actually work in 2026. Getting visitors to your store is great, but conversions are what really matter. If people are visiting but not buying, something in the experience is broken. So yeah, let's fix that. The first thing to focus on is clarity. When someone lands on your store, they should instantly understand what you sell and why it's valuable. Use a clear headline, simple messaging, and avoid unnecessary distractions. Product pages play the biggest role in conversion rate. Your product title should be easy to understand. Your description should focus on benefits, not just features. Tell customers how the product solves their problem or improves their life. Images and videos are huge trust factors. Use high-quality product photos and real-life visuals. Short videos showing how the product works can dramatically increase confidence. Yeah, people buy when they feel sure. Social proof is another conversion booster. Add customer reviews, star ratings, and testimonials. Even a small number of honest reviews is better than none. You can also show recent purchases or user-generated content. Checkout friction kills conversions. Keep the checkout process simple and fast. Remove unnecessary form fields. Offer multiple payment options like cards, PayPal, and digital wallets. Store speed directly affects conversions. If your Shopify store loads slowly, people leave. Use compressed images, remove unused apps, and choose a fast theme. Mobile optimization is critical. Most shoppers are on their phones now. Buttons should be easy to tap. Text should be readable, and pages should load smoothly on mobile devices. Scarcity and urgency can increase conversions when used correctly. Limited time offers, low stock notices, or countdown timers can push hesitant buyers to act. Just keep it honest. Fake urgency damages trust. Offering clear shipping and return information builds confidence. Customers want to know delivery time, costs, and what happens if something goes wrong. Finally, test everything. Change headlines, prices, layouts, and images. Track what works and double down on it. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.